In this video, we will create this 6-step circular animated infographic. So let's begin. Let's start by adding a rounded corner rectangle and place it at the center of the slide. Make the edges curved using small yellow circle. Adjust the size of rectangle. We kept 13 centimeters height and 3.5 centimeters as width. Remove the outline by marking outline as none. Create duplicate shape using Ctrl+D. Change the fill color and update the size to 0.2 centimeters width and 10 centimeters height. Select both the shapes and align them center and middle. Now select both the shapes and group them together. Create two duplicate groups using Ctrl+D. Rotate first group at 60 degrees. Rotate second group at 300 degrees. Select all the three groups and align them center and middle to each other. We need to ungroup all the shapes before proceeding to next steps. Once ungrouped, select all the shapes and select Fragment option under Merge Shapes. To form this infographic shapes, we need to group few fragments together. We can zoom in so that we can select the shapes easily. Select the fragments as shown in video, then go to Shape Format menu, select Union option under Merge Shape. Follow the same for other 6 sections. We can fill any random color in the shapes as it will help in identification of shapes. Final colors can be updated later. Now we have updated the shapes of outer section. We'll update the fragments at the center. For this, we will merge the shapes and fill them with black color. This part of infographic skeletal is completed. We'll start updating the colors in these shapes. We have updated the fill colors. We'll proceed to next edition of shape. We are adding a circle shape. This circle is just for reference purpose for placing arc shapes, which will be added in next spees. Adjust the size of circle so that only edges of rounded rectangle shapes are visible. Also, align circle shape to center and middle. Add a arc shape. We'll adjust the length such that arc is connecting two sections of base infographic. Once arc length is adjusted, add a small circle and place it at the end of arc shape. Now add a triangle shape. Adjust the size so that it can be placed within the small circle. Once arc skeletal is completed, increase the width of arc for better visualization. Now group these so that it's easy to duplicate and align to other sections. Now all the shapes are in place. We will change colors so these are in sync with other sections. Once colors are changed for all the arc shapes, we will add shadows. For this, select all the round rectangle shapes. In Format Shape section, go to Shadows and select Center Align Shadow. Also change Blur to 20 points. Finally, we will add relevant text and icons. Our infographic is ready. We can use the same or can add animations to it. For ease of animation, we will group all the part of each section. Select all the parts and group them using Group option after right-click. Once all the sections are grouped, add a relevant slide heading. Select the desired group, go to Animations or click on the desired animation. Repeat the same for all groups. We change the movement direction as per need. This is how our final animated infographic will look. Hope you liked this video.